In this video, let's get to know the process of migrating Slack archived channels to Teams with AVAMIGRATRON. Ensure seamless access to historical data, maintaining continuity and knowledge retention, while simplifying compliance with data retention policies. Start by navigating to the Inventory module on the AVAMIGRATRON menu bar, and Channel List will be selected by default. Then, click on the Get Slack Channel List button to retrieve high-level details of the channels within your Slack workspace, including channel names, types, and visibility. Export the template provided. Enter the channel's name, channel ID, and set the archived status as Yes to filter the archived channels. To initiate a detailed inventory assessment, click on Start Inventory and take custom inventory of archived channels. Download the provided template, fill in other necessary details, and for the inventory process, and view an overall summary along with the status with the Inventory module. Navigate to the Migration tab and select Channel Migration. Within the Channel Migration page, choose Actual User Migration and proceed. Under Team Channel Creation and Mapping, click Create Teams and Channels. Download the provided template, fill in the necessary details, and proceed with team and channel creation accordingly. Download the mapping template and fill in details such as team name, team ID, channel name, and channel ID. Upload the filled mapping template and click Submit. Then, select the channels that are to be mapped and finalize the process. Once channels are mapped, proceed with content migration. Customize the migration as needed and select the inventory to be migrated. Then, you can schedule it for later or start the migration process immediately. Click Refresh to monitor the current migration process and view the updated status. Then navigate to the channel completion page and click Complete. You can also view the migrated archive channels easily from the source to the target. And there you go! Migrating archived channels from Slack to Teams is simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.